Namaste, my name is Dio and welcome to my channel. Today I'll talk a little about manifestation. Okay, this technique basically which is very commonly taught and it really works also. So I'll share some knowledge on why this technique is not working for some people and what you can do to make this technique work much better for you. Okay, now this technique is called being in the gratitude, okay, or being in that state of emotion that as though you've already achieved that thing or that person that you're trying to manifest, okay, as though it's already there in your life. So be in that gratitude that so grateful it's already here in my life. Okay, now the problem with this, a lot of people have been doing it, but as humans we are so conditioned to believe that something is there only when we are seeing it. Okay, for example, if I tell you, okay, I have a bandana over here, and you'll be like, yeah, we can see it. But if I tell you I've got two spirits right over here floating, watching what I'm doing, very eagerly seeing what I'm doing, are you going to believe it? You're not going to believe it because you just can't see them. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So if something that you can't see, you can't feel it, you can't touch it, how are you supposed to show your gratitude towards it? So no matter what you're doing, that okay, I'm really grateful that this job is already, somewhere deep down you know I'm living a shitty life without any money, and how can I be grateful towards it? So you're just faking it when you're doing it. Okay, so the technique for this is that you need to be in a flow of gratitude first. Okay, so before you start saying, okay, I'm really grateful for this XYZ that you're trying to manifest, you need to start being grateful for all the things that you've already manifested, either intentionally or unintentionally. Okay, it could be the smallest thing or the biggest thing. Okay, the house that you're living in, your cell phone, the holiday that you manifested, you know, the vacation that you went for, or the health that you've got, or the job that you've got, or anything that you already have in your life that you've at some point have appreciated, now you've forgotten about it. You need to be in that gratitude. So when you're showing your gratitude in that flow, you mention what you want. Okay, so for example, if I say, okay, so I usually have about 7 or 8 things that I start being grateful for. Okay, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that, I'm grateful for that person in my life, for this health, for this materialistic thing that I have in my life. And in the same breath, I say, okay, I'm grateful for this bike that I have right now, which is a Honda Africa Twin, the tricolor, the blue, white, red color with all the safety guard, all the features on it. I'm grateful for this. Okay, so then it becomes easy because now you're in that flow. You're being grateful for that house, for that person, for that health, for that job, for all those things. And in the same breath, you mention the thing that you're trying to manifest. Okay, so you got to keep doing this over a period of time. You get conditioned to being in that state of being grateful. Okay, but here again, action speaks louder than words. Okay, so if you are saying, okay, I'm being grateful for that car that I have, and I'm being grateful for the house, and when you're in that flow of all the things that you already have, but in reality, you're not paying your gratitude in form of action. So if it's the car that you've manifested already before, intentionally or unintentionally, but here you're least bothered, you're treating it like shit, you're driving it like shit, you're not cleaning it, you're not maintaining it, but here you are saying, I give my gratitude. The gratitude is not being accepted then, because reality speaks something else. Okay, so if you're being grateful for a person in your life and you're treating that person like shit, but here you are saying, okay, I'm grateful for that person and blah blah blah, here this is what I want, it's not going to work. Okay, so in your real life, the things that you already have, it could be small or it could be big. Okay, in your day-to-day life, you need to show your gratitude towards it. Okay, like I manifested a bike of mine. It's a vintage bike, but for the last 1 year I've not been able to find the parts for that bike to, you know, get it working again. Okay, since it's a very old bike, it's a 1950 Triumph. Okay, but every week I religiously go, take the cover off, I clean the bike, I sit near the bike, I look at that bike because I'm so passionate towards it. Okay, so my gratitude towards all the things, all the people, all the materialistic things, all the living things is exactly the same. You know, so for me to come into that flow that, okay, now my next is this bike that I want, it just flows in so well. Okay, so in your day-to-day life, you need to show that gratitude. That's the most important thing, not just going there and blabbering, but in reality, you're like, please bother of what you have already. Okay, so now when you're showing your gratitude towards the thing that you're really wanting. So somebody like me, when I say, okay, thank you for this Honda Africa Twin that's come in my life and it's the perfect color, the perfect this, in my real life, I never go when I manifest something or I get something, I never go, oh yes, I've got it, I've like go all nuts about it and all. I'm really calm from the exterior, but from inside, okay, I'm like a gymnast. I'm like a trapeze artist jumping from here and there. I'm like full of joy from inside, but from outside, I am just as calm. So if you are somebody like me, but when you're manifesting it, you're like visualizing yourself going crazy and all, then again, you're not being in that right vibration, because that's not who you are. Okay, so you need to be in that vibration of how you would actually be during that time. Okay, so you must try this out. So start off by being grateful for all the things that you have in your life already in reality. Be grateful towards it, look after them. If you've got the cell phone that you always wanted, now since you've got it, you're chucking it on your bed and you're throwing it all over the place, and now you are like, okay, I'm grateful for that, this, that. It's not going to work. So be grateful, be nice to all the things that you already have in your life, living or non-living. In that same flow, you say the thing that you really want. It could be 10 things that you really want to manifest, it doesn't matter, but as long as you're saying it in the same flow, in the same breath, in the same vibration, this is how your manifestation is going to work. Okay, and one more very important thing is, we are always trying to manifest something that our spirit knows in the future it is already there. So you need to calm down. Sooner or later, when the time is right, you are going to achieve that thing. Okay, so now if you have a 10-year-old son saying, okay, mom, dad, I want a sports car for my 11th birthday, are you going to get him one? No. But when he turns 18 or 21, when he has the license to drive, you're going to get him that. So it's the same thing with the universe. It'll come to you. That's why you want it, because the spirit has recognized that this is yours. Okay, so you need to calm down. It'll come to you when the time is right. So yeah, please, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, share this knowledge with people, and until I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.